I would be very glad to spend my time with my newest grandson, Stone, and the rest of my children and grandchildren. You're back again to my birthday.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Sir,
Ayaw mo nawala sa akin. Tama ka. I'm a liar when it comes to that thing about birthdays. No, historically, ayaw ko magpadrama. Pero kami noon, migrants lang sa Mindanao. And neighbors, Sunny Dominguez are neighbors, but it's not the neighborliness. Kasi nagtitipid yung pamilya. All that we did, and every one of us, I don't know, but most of my siblings go, we follow the same rule. We just sleep it off the day. I would be very glad to spend my time with my newest grandson, Stone, and the rest of my children and grandchildren. That would have been the greatest gift that I can ask in this planet. Yun sa akin, tama na. And for those who may natanggap na kasi ako. You know, I'm not trying to be a spoiler. Wala rin akong drama kasi totoo. Kakasabi ko lang naibigay na ng Diyos ang lahat, ang dapat ko. Because God would only give you the things that you deserve. He does not give you things that you do not deserve or are not entitled to. So, naibigay na yung ng Diyos sa akin. I have reached, I said, the highest, the apex of anybody's dream. If you have something for me, some are very expensive, you know, I do not need it anymore. Tsaka paski bigyan niya ako ng diamante for every finger, I cannot wear it. Otherwise, I'd be stupid. And even watches and all. I stick with just what the ordinary people wears. Alam mo, maybe someday, but I said I'm too old for that. What would be the point of wearing a big diamond? You are 75, 76. You are better off with going to church every day to make up for the, you know, babawi ka pa doon sa mga pare. Baka gusto mo, ariglo na lang tayo. Pero wag mo na ngayon kasi left and right ang ano nila. Hindi naman tama yung iba. Especially sabi ko nga sa inyo, if I will stop sa droga, if I will mag-atras ako, I would have placed the next generation in jeopardy. Million kasi. Sabihin niya lang ninyo, 10,000, controllable number. Pero with a million, sabi ni General Santiago sa PDEA noon, during his time, ni Peget at 3, tapos kay Bato ngayon, plus 1. I-maintain na lang natin. Let us put it at 3. Walang incremental increase. 3 million cuts across the country. Everywhere, the 3 million are distributed in all of the places of this country. Tapos, papaano yan?